Students, in the last class we studied about Kanyakumari. In this class also we are going to study the same lesson. That is the continuation of the lesson. Okay, कृष्णा, और क्या क्या देखा तुमने? समुद्र तट से कुछ ही दूरी पर समुद्र के मध्य में दो चट्टानें हैं, जिनमें से एक चट्टान पर 40.5 मीटर ऊंची तमिल संत कवि तिरुवल्लुवर की प्रतिमा है। इन्होंने काव्य ग्रंथ तिरुकुरल की रचना की थी। कृष्णा, what else have you seen? There are two rocks in the middle of the sea at a distance from the beach, one of which is a statue of the Tamil saint poet Tiruvalluvar, 40.5 meters high. He composed the poetry of Tirukural. So you all know very well Tiruvalluvar, he only composed Tirukural, isn't it? दूसरी चट्टान पर क्या है? कृष्णा, राघव, दूसरी चट्टान पर स्वामी विवेकानंद का स्मारक है, जिसमें स्वामी विवेकानंद की कांसे की 2.5 मीटर ऊंची प्रतिमा है। शिकागो सम्मेलन में शामिल होने से पूर्व विवेकानंद जी ने यहाँ ध्यान किया था। So again they were talking. And what's on the other rock? Krishna, Raghav, on the second rock is the memorial of Swami Vivekananda, which has a 2.5 meter high statue of Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda ji meditated here before attending the Chicago conference. Okay? क्या तुमने वहाँ के सूर्योदय और सूर्यास्त का आनंद लिया? हाँ मित्र, अद्भुत नज़ारा था वह। शाम के समय हम सबकी निगाहें आसमान की ओर लगी थी। आसमान में चारों तरफ नारंगी किरणें फैलने लगी थी। धीरे धीरे वह शहर में समाने लगा और कुछ ही पलों में बादलों की ओट में छिप गया। So again they started to converse about the Kanyakumari. Krishna, did you enjoy the sunrise and sunset there? Yes, friend, it was a wonderful sight. In the evening, all of us were eyeing the sky. Orange rays started spreading all around the sky. Gradually, he started to get into the ocean, and within a few moments, he hid in the cloud. They said about the sunset and then sunrise. Okay. कृष्णा, मित्र, सूर्योदय का दृश्य तो और भी मनोरम होगा। राघव, बिल्कुल, सूर्योदय का दृश्य बेहद खूबसूरत था। 5 बजे से ही लोग सागर तट पर जमा होने लगे। धीरे धीरे पूर्व दिशा में क्षितिज पर सुनहरा रंग फैल गया और उसके मध्य से एक लाल रंग का उबार दिखाई दिया, जो कुछ ही पलों में आधे नारंगी गोले से पूरे गोले में बदल गया। Krishna, friend, will the view of the sunrise be even more captivating? Raghav, of course, the view of the sunrise was very beautiful. From 5 o'clock, people started gathering on the seashore. Gradually, the golden color spread over the horizon in the east direction, and a red-colored bulge appeared from its center, which changed from half orange shell to full circle in a few moments. सच पूछो तो मेरे लिए वे दोनों दृश्य अविस्मरणीय हैं। कृष्णा, अगली गर्मी की छुट्टियां में मैं भी अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ कन्याकुमारी जाऊंगा। So that scene was very thrilling. To be honest, both of those scenes are unforgettable to me. In the next summer holidays, I will also go to Kanyakumari with my mother and father. So children, you also, if you have time, you can also visit Kanyakumari with your parents. Okay. Students, now we are going to see some important places in Kanyakumari. This is Tiruveni Sangamam. Okay. This is Sai Baba temple in Kanyakumari. This is Tsunami monument in Kanyakumari. This is Thiruvalluvar statue and then Vivekananda rock in Kanyakumari. And this is a famous church in Kanyakumari. Okay. Students, now this class ends. In this class, we studied about Kanyakumari. Okay. Obey your parents. Be safe. Always wash your hands. Wear mask if you are going outside. Obey your parents. Okay. Bye bye. Dhanyavad.